This is Karlan, and I am the Children's Administrator for Harvest Time South Aliva. I'm reading from 2 Kings, chapter 19, and verse 30. And the remnant who had escaped of the house of Judah again take root downward and bear fruit upward. In chapter 18 through 20 of 2 Kings, we read about what happened during King Hezekiah's reign in Judah. We see what can happen if we trust God, and also what can happen if we decide not to trust Him. We do have a choice, just as the people in King Hezekiah's day, to trust God no matter what, or to fear for our future. Trusting the Lord is not always easy, but it's the only way we should live, growing our roots of faith deeper in the way of the Lord. When our roots grow more and more into the soil of God's Word, then the fruit of our time with God causes our roots to take hold of what He is showing us so that we can get to know Him and love Him more. At times, God's way seems totally wrong, but hang in there and trust Him. Proverbs 16:9 says, "A man's heart deviseth his way, but the Lord directs his steps." When our roots go more and more into the soil of God's Word, then the fruit of our time with God causes our roots to take hold of what He is showing us so that we can get to know Him and love Him more. The Bible guides us to trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not on our own understanding. In all our ways to acknowledge Him, and He will direct our paths. That was Proverbs 3, verses 5 through 6. Thank you, and have a good day.